back into the studio. So today I thought I would create some pockets. I have a new product that I'm gonna have in the store, my Etsy store, and there's some vintage items. So 4 little mini pages, double-sided, well, 2 double-sided pages of text. These are from 1977. This is from the 1900s. This is actually a peel back label from the library of. I have some tickets, also from sometime in the 1900s, and iron and potassium chlorate. These are gummed labels, Miner's Orange, Spirits of Turpentine, Miner's Vanilla, which has this nice aged ink color on, also gummed, a ticket, another type of ticket, and then some random stamps. Some of these are postmarked, some of them are vintage, and some are newer, but there is a variety on these. No pocket is going to be the same. So I thought I could make a pocket using some deli paper to put these in, to keep them all together. I love pockets. I actually make them all the time and keep them all in this bucket. This is my bucket of pockets that I've made. So I've got that. So I thought I will do some printing and create some backgrounds out of the deli paper, and then make some fun pockets for this product, and then maybe some extra for my bucket of pockets. So I thought you could come along while we make some fun pockets. Kind of a little art therapy, little mini session. So hope you enjoy. you.